Welcome to a new GIBIDI tutorial. Today we will see how to set the basic functions of the SL544 embedded timers. Once you are in programming mode, select the clock menu and then Timers. Two timers can be programmed. To access timer 1, enable it by selecting On. There are now two options. Keep open. This means that if an opening command is given during the programmed time, the timer will keep the gate open until the time slot expires. Ignore transmitters. This means that during the chosen time slot, the control unit will not accept commands via remote controls. We enter the start and end time using the arrow keys, and then confirm. This goes for timer 1 or timer 2. Once the timer's settings are complete, you can exit the menu. The display shows that the timers are active. As you can see, programming the SL544 control unit couldn't be simpler. This has been a tutorial by GIBIDI. Thanks for watching.